Umintri rangba kajala ukonrat ke Sangma hakapratrik jeliu. Ulapan pau ko Sngewskhem ba ukertong balakershan daka MDA syak eleksyon Rajya Sabha u James ke Sangma unyo ya jingjam daka baong baka kamram bakong sanjong MP kalong ban tynruh jingdawa ba sahteng jong kajala hapo parliament bat banlong galinti penyasok bakong san bat ka sorkar pedeng. Habakren Syllad kai kubor hadien bau James uladab banthap kerteng kum ukertong ukonrat ulai kublei ki parlok ke MDA namar ke jingkershan ke bayat lilang kawe. Ha kabaning kong akwa ban ai kublei ya u James Sangma haluar ke jingthap kerteng bat ngakwa ban ai kublei ru ya barok ki parlok ha ke MDA namar ke jing menjori karai ban kershan ya u James Sangma kum ukertong. Benta kasngi ki babon na ki parlok ki layadon lang ha kan ki jingthap kerteng ulaong. Ha ka bayade berka jingthap kerteng jung ki weipat ki kertong ukonrat ulaong baki aka barok kin sapau syai hadien belakut ka jingathap kerteng. Henry ulapan pau ka jing Sngewskhem ka jing bon pan jong ka MDA. Ha ka bayade berki weipat ki kertong ngimpat das ngothi kena. Ngin ha ban ab kat tu ka ni kenta ka jinglong jingman kalong ka basyai bha. Kumta la kalong kumno ru ni Sngewskhem balada don ki weipat ki kertong ke MDA ka don ni ka jingbun pan ban penthikna ba u kertong jongi unyo ya ka jingjob ha ka eleksyon Rajya Sabha ulaong. Umintri rang ba ulaong ru ba u MP udan kamban ra ya kerani kiman bakong san jong ka jela kata ha ka bayade na du ki skim hadu ki jingatai hapo ka yingdor bar thawan. Ula ongru baka benta jong UMP kalong kum galinti penyasok ha pedeng kejela bat ka sorkar pedeng khamtam ha kabayade bat kimat jingdawa ki basa teng laslam nalor kata ukonrat ula ong baka sorkar jela kanyai beteng ban but dien halor ki jingdawa bahakmat jongka bat na kalyang UMP ru unra banyakren ni kiman hapo parliament.
First of all, I would like to congratulate Mr. James Sangma for filing his nomination, and would like to thank all the partners of the MDA for having unanimously and with the consensus supported the candidature of Mr. James Sangma, and today most of the partners, the representatives were present in the nomination filing. Number two, regarding the other candidates, we are not very sure. We will just have to wait for the next few hours and the picture will be clear. So whatever the case may be, we are confident that even if there is a candidature, that the MDA has the necessary strength to ensure that our candidate wins in this Rajya Sabha. You know, when it comes to issues, there are multiple issues that we feel that the Member of Parliament should bring up, and I'm sure that Mr. James Sangma will be very successfully be able to bring up those issues. Issues will range from everything which are socially, politically important to our people and our state, and also issues regarding different schemes, government programs, and also very actively participate in different legislation and debates in the parliament. All of these will be very important responsibilities that the Honourable MP will have. At the same time, we also expect that the Honourable MP will act as a bridge between the state government and the central government, where different issues, whatever the state has to take up at different ministry levels, I'm sure the Honourable MP will take up the responsibility of taking up those issues as well. The fact that he is going to represent our state in the Rajya Sabha, it's a 6-year term, so it's very clear that he will be representing the state for 6 years. There are no differences, nothing like that. Everybody has their programs. As you are aware, this nomination was supposed to be on 5th, and then the program got changed again. So in fact, some of the other MD members who were supposed to be here could not make it because they already had fixed up programs for today. At the same time, there is a incident. I mean, as you know, one of our Deputy CM's family lost a very close relative. So therefore that funeral program also is on. So a lot of members are there. So it's really situation because of which a lot of the individuals who are supposed to be at the Humanity issues are very important to us, and that's why whenever there is an opportunity, we as a government and also as a party, we have ensured that we take up these matters very aggressively, and definitely being the member of parliament representing the NDA and the state of Meghalaya. The Honorable MP will play a critical role in raising all the issues that we have taken up, and whether it's the 8th schedule, whether it's the 6th schedule, whether it is the FCRA amendment and the issue of illegal immigration and matters like the ILP and the MRSSA, the Honorable MP will play a very critical role in pushing our concerns at the Parliament and at the Government of India level. I really have no real comments on the political party as such, because a party requires an organization. Party requires a certain base and certain constitutional aspects. So I think as and when the party builds up into an organization, only then we'll be able to comment. Right now, yes, there is a certain wave, and that happens in today's world. Social media is very powerful, and so it is very possible to connect to different issues and different programs or different stands that different individuals may take. But a political party is beyond, just a movement that is to be there. The movement is the beginning. So therefore, there's a long way to go. So we'll have to wait and watch and see how things happen, how they shape up. As I said, running a political organization is not so simple. There are a lot of challenges, and I think the consistency and the stability and how you are able to run the party in the long run is really what matters. So initial hype can always be there, which is again depends on the issues that are there. But I think what is important is the consistency and the long-term stability of the organization. So let's see how it goes, and we'll be also watching. And what is important for us is that we have always maintained that we should build up and continue to organize our party and our organization, and that's what really matters to us.